Hey everyone, so today I want to apply with you for the very first time my new foundation that I literally just got. Never tried it except on the back of my hand. So this is from Studio 10, specifically designed for mature skin. I'm 47 and I'm not very good with using foundation. It's not really my thing. However, the older I get, the more I get like these dark under eyes, circles, blemishes, reds, etc. So anyway, so I thought I'd try this one. So this is the Age Repair Perfect Canvas SPF30, and it's in the color 03 Dark, or Soft Dark, I think it's called on the website. It has two foundation shades, so you have a lighter one and a darker one. So you could use just this one and this one for contouring, or you can just mix them together to find the right shade for you. I went with the soft dark simply because the medium isn't available at the moment, so I got with that, and it might be the right color. I have no idea. I tried on the back of my hand, and it looks all right there. I don't know if you can see that at all. I've only tried a little bit, so really haven't tried much of this at all. I also bought this face brush by Studio 10, so it has a kind of the stipple end and then like a finger shaped one here, so you can get into the nitty gritty, so to speak. Right, let's try it. I have no idea. As I said, I've never really used foundation, so I'm not sure how to do it. But it said on the website to start just with dots and then brush outwards. So I used a lighter shade and just put this on my T-zone. Let's start there. Don't know how much. No idea. And it's really hard to do it and to see what it's like just using the camera. So I might have to do that in the little mirror that it comes with as well. So let's try it. So it's meant to be medium to full coverage. And it smells like sunscreen. So I definitely need more. So I will just go in straight with the brush and go straight in. It is a cream or creme foundation. And I think I should stipple it rather than smear it, so to speak. Go over my eyes. So color-wise, I'm not sure if it's slightly too dark. We will see. What I noticed straight away is that it gives me a really dewy finish, which is lovely. So I have this kind of lovely, nice shine, really dewy. Just making sure I get it everywhere equally. Stipple it in rather than drag it. Don't forget the neck. It's a really lovely feel. And it feels really lightweight. Yeah, I don't feel like I have anything on, so that's good. First impressions, it feels very light. Doesn't feel like I have really anything put on. It's not covering my dark circles as much as I would like. It covers the redness around my nose really well. I have some spots here. Maybe I just try a bit more on there, but it has covered them. I just like to add a bit more just to see. I think actually the color is quite good on me, I feel. So I'm now going to use this one just to go into this area a bit more. Okay, you really get into this with this brush. So that's really good. This is my first proper brush. I I used to buy cheap ones like where you get a whole pack for like £5. So there is a difference, you can tell. So this is really quite nice, really soft brush. And I like that it's double-ended. So I think it's really easy to put on. It does give you a lovely glow. Okay, so what I'm going to try now is contouring. Never done it in my life. I only know you have to put it under your cheekbones and chin and stuff. So with that, I will use my fingers just to place it first. So I think you put it under your cheekbones. So I use the darker color for that one. And then I use this to just blend it out. Don't know if it's done anything. Can't really see. I'm a bit too careful, I think, with it. Because I don't want to overdo it. I don't like much makeup on me. So you don't want any harsh lines or anything. So that's the foundation done with a little bit of contouring. Not sure if you can see that. So I will do the rest of my makeup and put my hair on, and then I will be back. So makeup on, hair's on. So yeah, just done up my eyes and my lips, etc. And put a little bit of finishing powder on as well. So it still has a bit of a shine to it. As I said, it still feels really lightweight. So what I will do is I will wear it all day and then give you an update how it fares, especially how it sits in my lines, etc., especially like around the eyes here, etc. And yeah, see you in a bit. So quick check-in. I've been wearing this now for 5 hours. So let's zoom in. And it hasn't really settled into my fine lines. It still feels really lightweight. But I do think it shows up my pores more. So I might have to use like a primer or something first. But yeah. But otherwise, it feels nourishing, I think is the best way to describe it. So but it still stays put. I think it still looks good. So I will update you at the end of the day. So it's now 8 o'clock in the evening, and well, you only get light in the bathroom, but I think it held up really well throughout the day. It hasn't really settled into my fine lines, so that's really good. But as I said, I think the pores are much more visible than without it. So overall, I'm quite impressed. The one thing I wasn't aware of is that it contains quite a hazardous ingredient, and I will put that screen up here. I use the Yucca app that scans for that scans the barcode and tells you what's in it and if there are hazardous materials in it. And unfortunately this one has, which is probably a reason why I will not use it on a daily basis. It's really unfortunate because actually I really quite like this, how it covers, etc. So I hope this was helpful. Any questions, any comments, just put them down below. Bye.